Oh, Mark, you getting dressed up for the camera, bro? Hello, welcome back to the channel. Marceysoul here. Guess what? Today, we're making some type of salad, I'm thinking, okay? I'm kind of making it up as I go. But I know it'll be fire in the end. Yeah. Sweet potatoes boiling, bro, they in the water. Next, I'm about to fry me some mushrooms. Gonna cut up these carrots. And cool. We don't got lettuce, we got arugula, bro. Baby arugula. So yeah. Water, bro. I'm gonna spill some on myself, though. I'm not gonna lie. It's all that. Get a pan and get you some oil in that pan. You feel me? Okay, cool. Damn, bro, you guys foggy, bro. Let me wipe you off. Y'all try to be perfect, bro. Nothing's perfect, bro. Anyway, Tony. First things first, I'm gonna put some gloves on. Number two, hands are clean, but you know, microplastics over germs. Microplastics, you can always up your test. Anyway, bro, fuck it. We just about to throw some mushrooms in here. About to turn this pot on. Look at my fucking jaw, twin. Look at my jaw. My shit chill, my nigga. Yeah. No HGHQ. No fucking. No what? No BPC 157. Nigga, we been on straight hydration powder and water. Hydration powder and water. I'm gonna change this fucking song, twin. I'm not done. There we go. This some chill shit. The girl from Ipanema, bro. This shit fire. Bro, my neighbor put me on to this song, twin. I think I'm getting big, chat. If I get big, bro, I've been in the gym, I've been building my muscle, twin. But the only thing is, money, bro. Need money to buy protein, son. So, like I said, I have 4 projects that I'm working on. Pouring all my energy into them. Not only that, my passion. Cause I actually love to do this. The things that I really want to do, bro, I really want to do. Straight ahead, I got a little weird, son. 3, 2. I feel much better, bro. I think it was some evil eye shit, bro. Like a nigga spying on me or some shit. Through the fucking mirror, bro. See, you can never be too fucking careful, bro. My energy was like, I don't know why. Anyway, twin. Look, now you feel hella better, bro. What the fuck? Like, yo. Yo, that shit crazy. Anyway, guys, we about to just get the cooking on it. Oh, bro, it's only me for real though, bro. Or two. Had my idea. That shit crazy. Like I still do fraud. Fly private jet with the broad. It's that Z shit. Pull up in the demon on God. Like I still do fraud. Fly private jet with the broad. It's that Z shit. What the blame about the coop? I don't know the rest. Let me stop, bro. Let me stop, twin. I'm gonna change something. To convert somebody. Processitize. That's what it says. To convert somebody. Processitize. That's my vocabulary. I just learned a new word. I felt the need to share it with y'all. Processitize. I'm gonna put that bitch out there, bro. That's I'm gonna say that bitch right. Holy shit, y'all. I'm gonna say that bitch right, bro. Word to it. And the kids is for you. For my love. That's what I gotta play right now. I forgot what this shit called. Let's see what this shit called. This shit called Never Too Much. I think that's what this shit called. Yeah, this shit called. Damn, Nick. What the fuck, son? Holy shit. Yo, the phone was tweaking, man. Shit. Bro, this shit called Never Too Much by Luther Vandross. That's what this shit called. Damn, somebody didn't want y'all to hear that, bro. Somebody didn't want y'all to hear that shit. Right, too. I don't know why. Somebody didn't want y'all to hear that shit. Yo, this shit gonna be fine. Twin, bro. Good job. This shit gonna be fine, bro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put these on a whole separate hand. Put these here. Right, too. That's what you should have done. I need to bring them ready. And this bitch is taking a long ass time to fucking cut, though. I'm not lying. He's here for how long making this shit, bro? God damn. Mine. Anyway, man. Damn, look at that shit. Look though. Yo, I really like that. Oh, I really like that. Which I already knew that. I already knew that. Stop playing. I told y'all, I'm him. Follow me on TikTok. _Marco Polo. I'm gonna put it in there. Alright, let's stop smoking, today. For sure, nigga. Right now. I'll be doing cardio today. Fairly often. I was just spreading my nigga. Real shit. Maybe it's a lack of nutrition, because I really haven't been fucking eating. Even talking is like draining my nigga. But I love doing this though. I'm getting something out of today. There's something out of today. Yeah, here comes the brain fog, my nigga. We're gonna power through that, because I'm that nigga. Hang on the trigger. If a nigga was one of that chocolate eaters. Trying to forget, because I understand how I keep feeling that thing. It's just like seeing her for the first time again. This is my favorite song, bro. It's like seeing her by Marceysoul for the first time again. But this shit fire. You're not gonna put the carriage, you're gonna put them in the road. I'm damn if I'm putting the carriage. Oh! Fuck! That shit just burned me. Yo, shit. Damn. Alright, I think the potatoes are done. I'll put you to the side. Let's go down. I was like, no, you gotta check them. Yeah, you're right. Yep. Mm-hmm. Things are coming into flourishing. You see how my lips move when I said that? When I said that. What the fuck, twin? I need some water. I think this shit is called For the First Time by Marceysoul. I'm pretty sure. My throat feels clenched. I can actually speak now too. How about that? Yeah, look at my eyes, the image is red. Cheers! So you guys might be like, mushrooms burnt. I don't give a fuck, bro. You're not burnt. They a little seasoned, they a little crispy. Ooh, now this is perfect right here. Yeah, it's nice texture. It's nice. Ooh, this nice color right here. Ooh, honey. Ooh, yeah. It's like a little nice golden brown. That's what we want right there. It's just a little catch run, okay? We're gonna chop it all up in the end though, so I don't need to give a fuck, right? Watch, I'm gonna go check it there. The final product, look. Does that look good or what, bro? Look, does that look good or what? Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Look at all these dishes I gotta wash. So I'm gonna get that. Oh, look what I did though. I set up a fire. Look at that. I did that. Yup. Twin. Setting up the home, setting up the vibe, twin. Yes, sir. That's what I'm all about. Anyway, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. I love y'all. Bye-bye.